Assalamualaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today is the 6th lecture of English. So let's get started. Open your books. In the previous lecture, we have completed our reading and have done all the exercises of Unit 2. Hope you also have done your book exercise. In today's lecture, we will start our new unit number 3. From this unit, these exercises, exercise A, exercise B and exercise C is excluded from this chapter. So come to page number 15. First of all, write down today's date. So today our topic is unit number 3, lesson number 2, phonics and words, EAING. Do you know, dear students, what is phonics? Phonics is a group of English sounds produced by a letter that does not sound like its letter name, like E, A, O, etc. So come to exercise number A. Read. Match the pictures to the words. First of all, we have to read these words. Then we have to match these words with the pictures, with the correct pictures. So number 1 is tea, ice cream, meat, leaf, eating, reading. In these words, as you can see, EA alphabets are highlighted. These are phonics. Now come to these words: sitting, drinking, standing, running, swimming, playing. In these words, ING are highlighted. Now we have to match these words with the correct pictures. As you can see that number 1 is done for you, ice cream. So this word have been matched with the correct picture, ice cream. So number 1 is tea. In this picture, this is the picture of tea. So match this word with this picture. Use ruler for matching. Number 2 is done for you, ice cream. Number 3 is meat. So this is the picture of meat. Match this picture with this word. Leaf. This is leaf. Match this word with this picture. Eating. In this picture, he is eating. So match this word with this picture. Reading. He is reading. So match this with this word. Now come to these words. Sitting. In this picture, who is sitting? He is sitting on the chair. So match this word with this word. Drinking. He is drinking. Match it. Standing. Who is standing? He is standing. Match this word with this picture. Running. Who is running? He is running. Match this word with this picture. Swimming. He is swimming. Match this word with this picture. Playing. He is playing. Now match this word with this picture. Do this exercise on your book. Come to exercise number B. Trace and complete the sentences with EA or ING. Here are some sentences. First of all, we have to trace these dots and we have to complete these words. This is done for you. Now we have to complete these blanks with the help of words EA and ING. So number 1 is Ali is drinking. Number 1 is done for you. Drinking some tea, EA. So write EA in the blank, tea. Number 2 is Fiza is eat. So in the blank write ING, eating some dash. So write EA in this blank, beans. And M is done for you. Write EA in the blank, T is done for you. So what is the word? The word is meat. Fiza is eating some beans and meat. Number 3 is Sarah is sit. Write ING in the blank, sitting, and R. Write EA in the blank, reading, READING. Sarah is sitting and reading. Number 4 is Papa is swim, ing. Write ing in the blank, swimming in the river. Do this exercise on your book and do not forget to trace the sentences. Now come to exercise number C. Write the words in the correct columns. Here are some words. We have to write these words in the correct columns. Cakes, mangoes, beans, eggs, ice cream and meat. We have to find out which items are sweet foods and which items are salty food. Number 1 is done for you. Cakes. Cakes are the sweet foods. Number 2 is mangoes. What do you think? Mango is a sweet food or salty food? No, mango is a sweet food. So write this word in this column, in the sweet food column. MANGOES, mangoes. Now the next word is beans. Beans, what do you think? Beans are the salty food or a sweet food? No, beans are salty foods. So write it in the column of salty food. BEANS. Now the next word is eggs. Eggs is also salty food. So write it in the salty food column. EGGS, eggs. Now the next word is ice cream. So students, do you like ice cream? Yes, I know. I think you also like ice cream. So you know that ice cream is a sweet food. So write it in the sweet food column. ICECREAM, ice cream. So the next word is meat. Meat is a salty food. So write it in this column. MEAT. I hope you have understand these exercises. Do these exercises on your books neatly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.